big takeaway about retreat, if I had to distill it down to a very simple narrative, it is the hero's journey. It is a call to adventure. Your first response to that call is to refuse the call because you're freaked out. It's scary. You meet with a mentor who guides you, someone like James, who comes in and says, I am going to be with you and I'm going to hold your hand through this and I'm going to guide you when it gets difficult. And guess what? It gets difficult. You have all kinds of tests. You go through perhaps even an ordeal. Some people deal with profoundly challenging, traumatic things that they confront inside of them. You sometimes do kind of face your own death in a way. You are transformed at the end of this journey. And in the hero's journey, you come away with the elixir, right? You return with the elixir. What is the elixir? The elixir is you're more conscious, you're more aware, you're more awake to be a version of myself, which is probably the most essential version of myself that I wasn't able to quite fully inhabit in my everyday life.